car. Race is on. We have Mamaya fast to begin, moving a party outside Mink City. Holly Ridge joining them now. Next in line is No Dip. Then followed by It's a Lemon next in line. Into the turn they go, Mink City and Holly Ridge fighting it out for the lead. 2 lengths away in third, Mamaya is No Dip. Then followed over by Don Paulo, and on the outside It's a Lemon. In command comes next Wadializing Julie's Wonder and Ramsey Smile. They swing into the leg. Mink City, Holly Ridge, right as fast as taken by about 7 lengths away in third is Mamaya is No Dip in fourth, Don Paulo. Holly Ridge takes the lead by about a neck. Mink City is fighting that down on the inside. Mamaya is No Dip is on the outside for the command. Holly Ridge now takes the lead by a length. Mink City is still in second. Then in third, No Dip, Mamaya as they come down at the last 200. Holly Ridge by about 2.5 lengths. Mink City remains in second. In command in third and No Dip. Last 100 meters, and it's still Holly Ridge by about 4 lengths above Mink City in command. And finally, Holly Ridge, second. Close finish, Mink City in command. And comes Mamaya.
This portion is brought to you by
Rider Herbal Tea.
Correct mo na yung sarili
Oh,
mo.
Kom, pasensya na. Medyo nagkamali yung
Dito ka na dyan.
mali yung aking kwenta. Kung sakasakali, 29,462 lang ibibigay din sa 88 winners. At ito yung ating quarters, 12.5, 23.5, 24.5, and 27.5. 1.28 ang preba ni Holly Ridge. Medyo naglobat yung aking laptop eh.
And bumabalik na si Holly Ridge sa scales and we'll just confirm that. But meanwhile, here's the slow-mo for second. Dear winner, Holly Ridge.
Tuloy na natin para makita na rin natin kung sino yung mga nagsipasok sa ating penta. Ganda pa ng take-out, 29,462.
Ayan.
Ayan yung ating photo between, hindi nakita si Min City sa laki ni In Command, eh, oh. In Command and Min City. Tapos papasok po mamaya.
Sandali lang. Ayan na. Yun.
Snow Day.